Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, it's by a brand called Vont, V-O-N-T. And pretty much what this is a LED night light lamp. So basically what you guys need to do is plug this little device onto your little outlets, and it will actually power up when it's like dark. But when it's like bright, like how you guys see right now, then it will actually turn off. So I'm actually taking it out to show you guys what it looks like first, and then we're gonna give it a try and see how it works. So when you guys first open the package itself, this is what it looks like inside, as you can see. So they provide us 6 of these, and there's actually 2 different options. There's actually the cool white, which is what I have right here, and then there's also the warm white. So the cool white is more of like a white color, like what you guys see right now, and then the warm white is obviously a little bit more warm, so like more yellows and whatnot. But let me take out one of them to show you what it looks like. So this is basically what the product looks like. As you can see, it's super tiny, it's not like big or anything. This is where the light will work once it's like super dark and whatnot. There's a little sensor right here for the actual light to turn off and on. So basically once it senses like darkness, then actually will turn on the light right here. But then when it's like really bright, like what you guys see right now, or like in the daylight, it will actually turn off like what you guys see right now. In the back part, you can see that this is the plug that uses, so you use the US plug right here. So overall, very nice and simple product, but let's just give it a try and see what it looks like and how it works first. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like. As you can see, once you guys plug it in, once you guys unplug it, then it stops working, but you guys plug it back in, then it starts working again. And it also has like a sensor that once it doesn't really sense a lot of like darkness and whatnot, then it turns off the light. As you can see, it dims a little bit once I block the little sensor that they have right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product itself. You guys can see it actually does work and it works quite well. Definitely really cool, and I love the fact of how small and compact it is. So like you guys can basically put this anywhere, in like the living room, in the office, in the bathroom, in the bedroom. Wherever you guys want to, you guys can actually leave it. And the light itself is not like super bright. It's just like a mini night light to like just put in the hallways if you guys need to go somewhere, maybe to like a restroom, but you guys don't want to turn on the light and you guys just want like a little light to see where you guys are going, then this is actually really cool and super useful. And also the fact that it has a sensor to kind of like detect when it's like dark or not dark, it actually turns off by itself or turn on by itself, is actually really cool. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously I have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one or need one, especially if you guys just trying to get like a little mini night light to just put around in the house, just to have a little light to see where you guys are going or whatever, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have.